Is it worth buying affiliate software? Many of us dream of giving up our jobs and working for ourselves. Being your own boss can provide the responsibility level you want as well as the incentive to perform well. Running your own business usually means lots of hard work, but the rewards can be quite tremendous. When it comes to starting a business, many people get scared. They worry about losing that security that their job has provided. They also worry about the risk involved in starting your own business. The risk is worth considering, being that anywhere from 70 to 90% of all small businesses fail in the first year. Affiliate marketing is a great way to work for yourself with minimal risk. When you work as an affiliate, you usually sell a range of goods or services for profit. You will still have to work very hard to promote your business, however, the financial risk to you is extremely low. Many who have started their affiliate marketing businesses wonder about affiliate software. They wonder if it is worth purchasing and what it can do for their particular business. The answer to these questions lies entirely in the individual affiliate and the type of business that they have. However, there are some general things to try and consider before you shell out hundreds of dollars on affiliate software. Before buying any software program, you need to apply some perspective. Software will not take a floundering company and get it into Fortune 500. It is simply a tool to help you in various aspects of running a business. You will still have to do all of the hard work. The software will only help. Once you have some perspective, then you need to list your company's needs. How are you at keeping accounts? Could you do better with software? Many people do purchase software to manage accounts for them, especially when their businesses start to take off. Chances are you can do just as good of a job on your own, but software will make it go much faster. You must keep in mind, however, that software does take time to learn. However, once you have mastered it, accounting software can help you keep track of your incoming money and outgoing at a much faster rate than if you were to do it yourself. If you have a home-based affiliate marketing business that is entirely internet-based, you may want to consider website building software. Again, you may be able to do just as good of a job on your own. However, if you can't, this software can help. It will offer suggestions on how to make your pages more attractive and how to attract more internet traffic to your site. This can all translate into more sales or add revenue for you. You should never purchase any software without previewing it first. This way you can tell if this particular style of software is what you need. Most places will give you a free trial, if not, find someone who will. You could also find free software that you can download from the internet. It takes little time to put this onto your computer. It is certainly worth at least trying the free software. It doesn't cost anything and could save you money if it does what you need it to do. If it doesn't, then you can always have it removed and purchase what you need. If you have a knack for sales or marketing, and perhaps you should consider the world of home-based affiliate marketing programs. You can put your creativity, skills and expertise to work for you rather than someone who doesn't appreciate them. When your business starts to pick up, you may want to consider the purchase of some affiliate software. It can help you manage your accounts and increase your website traffic. You could find it for free online or get a free trial from a software company. Whatever you decide, remember, keep some perspective of what it can do. Software is only a tool, it won't work miracles.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.